We're back out here at Northeast Factory Direct. Joining us is the owner, Alex Nemeth. Alex, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Once again. Everyone knows the story. You started in your garage. Now we're in a bigger one. But this is something new. In true fashion, you built a hole through a wall.
Yeah, so we needed more space. And instead of building a $2 million fancy showroom somewhere, we just blew a hole in our wall and doubled our warehouse space here.
What's in here and why is this so important? Why'd you have to do this?
So we've added a lot more product lines. We've also added a really nice clearance area where we're just trying to sell stuff at cost just to kind of move it.
So, even though you're saving thousands here, you're even going to save more in this clearance area and all different types of furniture that you could choose from in here.
So bedroom sets, dining room sets, leather furniture, kitchen cabinets, hot tubs.
You got it all.
We got it.
You got more online, too. NortheastFactoryDirect.com, East Side and West Side. Alex, thank you very much.
Thank you.